Hey guys, Virgo4u here from Red Team Plus. Today I will be doing an unboxing video for you all and a building video for you. It's going to be my very first build. I never built a PC in my life, so I'm pretty nervous, but I can get through it. Shout out to XFX, MSI, Corsair, and AMD for these awesome products that I have behind me. Thank you AMD for providing me the PSU and the CPU and GPU. The products that I have behind me, one is the GPU by XFX, and it's the Radeon R9 380. The CPU I have right here is an AMD FX 8370E Black Edition CPU. MSI I have here is the MSI AM3 Plus 990 FXA gaming motherboard, and it's going to be pretty awesome, as I hear. The PSU I have behind me is the HX750i PSU, and it's the Platinum Edition. And the Corsair Vengeance RAM, it's 2 sticks of 4 gigabytes of RAM. So I'll be putting that all in my Thermaltake case, so it'll be pretty cool. And let's get started on the build. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed building my PC, and it was an awesome experience, and I wouldn't change anything about it. I know I had a little bit of struggles along the way, as you can see in the video, but I got through it, and I know the nerve-wracking part was just pushing that power button, but it turned on. As you can see, I'm going to be playing some Metal Gear Solid, so I'll talk to you all later. Thank you for viewing, and I'm going to start gaming on. See ya!